Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. Today I have an exciting mod for my C7 Corvette. It's going to modernize it a little bit, and that's wireless Apple CarPlay. Yes, if you have a 2016 or newer C7, you already have wired CarPlay and Android Auto, but this device today I'm going to show you is going to make it wireless. And I've been used to wireless now since I have my 2020 Supra, and you just get in with the phone in your pocket, it automatically connects, no wires to hook up, nothing to worry about. So there are times in this vehicle I do the same thing, and then I'm like, oh, where's my map or where's my music? I gotta get it out of my pocket, plug it in to get it working. Thanks to CPlay to Air, they sent me this device to make Apple CarPlay wireless, and we're going to go through the full setup process today. I did not install it yet in my car because I wanted to see how hard it was and, you know, if there were any issues setting it up. But yeah, I'm very excited for this, so let's go check it out. I will put a link below to this device if you want to get one for yourself. So we're going to follow the setup instructions on the back of the box, and the first thing you're going to do is unpair your phone from your Corvette, both with Bluetooth, under settings, Bluetooth, Chevy, MyLink, and hit forget this device. It's on the Bluetooth part. You also have to go to CarPlay, and that's under General and CarPlay, and then MyLink, and forget this car. So just hit forget. All right. Now we want to do the same thing to the Corvette itself. We want to unpair the phone from Bluetooth and CarPlay on the vehicle. So it's under settings, Bluetooth, device management, and you see Marco's iPhone. We're going to remove it. Delete. Okay. Then we're going to go back and hit CarPlay, Apple CarPlay, manage CarPlay devices, and we want to remove my phone. All right, there you go. All right, now we're ready to connect the CPlay to Air adapter to the vehicle, and you could use any USB port in the car, but I would recommend behind the touchscreen, and that is because it gets so hot in the center console that I feel like even the phone overheats sometimes when it's in there. I feel like it would be a better spot, and since it's wireless, you know, this is going to be, you know, set it and forget it. So I'm going to plug mine in up here. So another cool thing about the device, on the end here, it has another USB port. So you could plug in your charger for your iPhone and charge it while it's hooked up if you want to do that. Most modern phones these days, the battery holds up. I rarely actually charge my phone in a car anymore. But, you know, if you're taking a long trip or something, you're going to want to plug it in. So, yeah, I'll put my charger in there, hook it up. And if I need to charge a phone, I can. All right, let's close the screen, let it load up. Okay. Now we need to connect our phone to the device. So we're going to go back on the Bluetooth settings. And there it is, that GM6330. It's connecting. All right, I hit cancel because it was connected on the phone. So let's see, click with this. CarPlay, Marco's iPhone. And now it says finish setting CarPlay up. On the phone, use CarPlay. All right, finally, there we go. Home here, apps. All right, let's shut it down, start it back up, see how long it takes to load. All right, I have my phone in the pocket. Everything's off. I'm gonna start it up. love the sound of the V8. All right, let's see. Starting up the MyLink system. That's normal. I mean, that's going to take some time to just boot up anyway. All right, looking for a device. Yep, there it is. Auto connecting. Sweet, there it is, there it is. It took about a good 30 seconds, but you know, like I said, this is starting from a cold stop, everything shut down. If you're just getting in and out, it might be quicker, but even if it takes a little bit extra time, it's faster than pulling out your phone out of your pocket, plugging it in with the wired connection. Yeah, this is just very convenient. I'm thrilled to have it. I don't have navigation built in the Corvette, so I always use it. And you can still switch back to your home screen by hitting that home button, and you have all your normal apps. And then if you want to switch back to CarPlay, there it is. Oh, guys, there is actually one more step to complete, and that is to update the firmware on the device if it's not updated. So the instructions are to connect to the dongle, which is that IP address. Okay, and it says it's the latest version, so we are good. But if there was an update, you can update the firmware, which is awesome. Really excited for this product. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if it's something you're interested in, and check out the link below. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video.